Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about if you want to deploy any static web application to a particular virtual machine, right? How we can do that thing I will show you guys. So for that I have in my previous session I have already deployed one VM. So this is the VM I am going to use for this today's demo. So I have already, if you not yet watched my previous video how to provision the VM, so please have a look. So this is running and this is the location. So let's take this public IP and let's connect to this VM. So let me show you this. So edit this session, put the IP address here. And so let's see if any application, web application is running or not. To get. So nothing is running, right? So let's try to launch first that application server like Apache web server. So I have already note down all the steps. So let's go one by one. I will give this all the step to this video description so that all this comment we can get in single shot. Okay, guys. So let's update this first. It will take few seconds. So go to next. So install the Apache server. This is this Apache server, which is like where we will deploy our web application, right? So let's install this. Yes. Installation is done. It's going on. It is done. So now we go to the next step. Here thing is if any firewall is there, right? So we have to allow that firewall to the Apache. So let me see that what all list is there here. The Apache, Apache full, Apache OpenSSL. So let's just allow this Apache one. Okay, guys. And so it is allow already. So now let's come here. Is inactive. So that is how you need. And now we will deploy our web application. So for that, I am just deploying one index.html file in that Apache to this particular location. If you see the location here, like where www.html index.html, this is what I am deploying, and I will try to access this. Okay, guys. So let's go to that. Let's copy this. Let's copy it. So now let's start the Apache server. Okay, guys. Let's start. So let's see the status. So it is running, right? So now do the wget. See, now we are able to access. So response is 200, and this is how we can access this web application, right? And this is how we can deploy the web application. Okay, guys. But one point I would like to say, like keep in mind, while we are provisioning the VM in the virtual machine, right? So let me show you that. So by default, it will be that security group, right? By default, it will be enable only like 22 port. But for this, to access that HTTP or HTTPS, right? So we have to enable that port, like see in the security group, we have to add the inbound and outbound rules. So let me show you that how we can add. So if you come here, so let me show you. This is a security group. So if you come here, this security group which is created, and if you come here, inbound security rule, and here I have added other than 22. If you see like 880, I have enabled, and then any port I have enabled. Okay, guys. and in the outbound also same thing. We have to enable. Okay, guys. So this point keep in mind so that otherwise it won't work actually. Okay. So this is how we can deploy our like a static web application to a particular EC2 instance. Now it is a single HTML page. If you want a multiple HTML page CSS, you can deploy to this particular location. I hope this will helpful to you guys. And if you like this session, please do like and subscribe my channel and share with your friend. And if you stuck while you are doing hands-on, if you got stuck, then you can put your whatever question or doubt or whatever error you are getting, you can put that too in the video comment section. I will address in that next subsequent video, or maybe I will answer in that comment itself. Okay, guys. Chalo, see you. Bye.